Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's tutorial is about a glittery eye makeup look with the chocolatey brown eyeshadow that is incredibly stunning and mesmerizing. This eye makeup look is super easy to do and you can learn it in less than 5 minutes. So if you'd like to give it a try, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I use a light brown eyeshadow as the base from this eyeshadow palette. I applied all over my eyelid using a fluffy brush and blend it well to ensure a seamless and a smooth result without any harsh lines. For this eye makeup look, you can choose eyeshadows from your favorite eyeshadow palette. However, I have provided all the product information in the description section, so feel free to check it there. I also applied this eyeshadow to my entire lower lash line using a small flat brush. Next, I dip my brush into the brown eyeshadow, which is a slightly darker than the previous shade. I apply this shade only to the outer and inner corners of my eyelid and blend it well to ensure there are no visible lines. My goal is to gradually add the brown eyeshadow to these areas, resulting in an incredible brown smoky effect. And once again, we repeat the same process as before. I apply the darkest brown eyeshadow from this palette to the outer corner of my eyelid and blend it well to achieve a soft, smoky effect without any visible lines. Also, this eye makeup technique is super easy and suitable for beginners. Just follow along with me step by step and you will achieve good results. Don't forget to apply the eyeshadow to the inner corner of your eyelid as well. Your entire focus should be on lifting and blending the outer and inner corners. For the lower lash line, apply the eyeshadow from the outer corner towards the center. Next, I use a black eyeshadow, which is commonly found in most eyeshadow palettes. I switch to a smaller, fluffy brush and apply a very small amount of the eyeshadow near the base of my lashes, at the outer and inner corners of my eyelid. Note that blending the black eyeshadow can be a bit challenging, so take your time and gradually add the black eyeshadow while focusing on blending in this area. I also apply the black eyeshadow from the outer corner of the lower lash line towards the middle. It's time, my favorite part, the glitter. I applied this gold glitter to the center of my eyelid using my finger. It looks incredibly beautiful and sparkling. See how the glitter enhances the beauty and adds a touch of shimmer to your eye makeup. I personally love it. I draw a curved line with the glitter from the inner corner of my eyelid using a small flat brush and extend it towards the center. I also apply it to the lower lash line using the same brush. I complete my eye makeup by applying an eyeliner. I start from the outer corner of my eyelid and draw a wing shape, then extend it towards the center because it suits the shape of my eyes better. However, you can choose to extend it all the way to the beginning of your eyelid based on your personal preference. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. This eye makeup look is very practical and easy to follow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Also, if you're interested in makeup and beauty content, I post tutorial videos every week, so please subscribe to my channel to not miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye!